Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. ChatGPT plugin tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you plugins tutorial in ChatGPT. So to use and where to get the plugins in ChatGPT. So this is a quick tutorial, quick and fast one, very simple. So once you're here at ChatGPT, click on the left side corner at Explore GPTs. Then choose a plugin that you want. For example, let's try to choose. Let's try to choose maybe this one, Song Maker. There you go. As you can see, then click on Start Chat. After clicking on Start Chat, there you go. You'll be at the Song Maker. So you can type anything that you want here. Type anything that Song Maker is can do, like create music using musical theory. So right now we're just gonna choose any of this because I'm not good at music. Don't know what to type, so we're gonna try this one. Viral love song. But imagine Shakespeare was a comedian. Oh, there you go. Intro. Love song. So genre is a pop comedy love. Playful, witty, romantic. Intro, average 6 side. There we go. Verses. 8 syllables per measure. Hi, there we go. So there you go. Spoken, sung, two households. There you go. There you go. We just made a song. There. So yeah. So how do you sing this? He's got a father who hates my guts. Ouch. Calls me my name like a peerless mutt. Ooh. But love ain't built on riches, nah. A starting keys in my mom's backyard, yeah. I'll bring a ladder to climb to you. Yeah, there you go. So there. So you do it, guys. And yeah, so if you want to use the song maker again to make a song like this one, just click on right here on the left side corner. As you can see, song maker. There you go. And if you have any more plugins, a quick tip for you guys, if you have any more plugins, just click on the left side right here. For example, Canva, I have a plugin called Canva, and just click Canva there. There you go. And another small tip for you guys, if you don't want the plugin, just click on the three dots right here and click on hide from slide. There we go. Now as you can see, it will now not appear in your call this in your sidebar. There you go. It will now not appear in your sidebar. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any more question on downloading more plugins, just type it down in the comment section below. But overall, that's it. Just click on Explore GPT, click on each one of this, then just click on chat. So there. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.